I like you, and I want you.
It's face, it's face.
Luca! Bueno?
Oh, what the fuck is that? Hey, that ain't real, nigga. Hold up a number 2 if that's real. Oh shit, this nigga's actually scary. Bro, that's actually scary. What the fuck up? Bro, what the fuck is that? Bro, he tweaking. He on that shit. Oh, God. Hey, bro. Hey, I'm finna leave, G.
Have you seen Ghost?
Hell yeah, that scared me. You got me. Yo, that shit's gonna fuck me. You got me there. You got me there. Yo, Carl, why that look real? Carl, what is that? Hold on, what are you screaming for?
What you got too, bro? What the fuck?
Oh, no, what is that?
Man,
Nah, we know that's a mask.
You see some shit like that at the corner of your bag, you take your shit out of that shit, bro.
God damn!
That boy got me, he got me checking my windows and shit.
Oh, God, bro.
Yo, he look freaky as hell on
What did he say?
my mama, his large ass gums, Kyle. Yo, take the mask off. Yo, you trying to get freaky?
Nigga.
Nah? Okay, I'm sorry. Oh, you getting close. Don't do that now. Don't do that now.
I know this man's trying not to laugh.
Yeah, keep it a beat, bro. You about to laugh? You could kind of see something below his teeth. It looked like you could see, like, a chin or something.
I don't know, but it's too goddamn dark.
Word. He look like the boogeyman.
What? What the hell is...
Yeah, that mask nose big as shit, bro. I know you can smell everything. Sniffing up all my oxygen.
Okay. Okay. Okay, your shit's on the phone, bro. That shit, it's something about that damn mask, yo.
You scared?
Nah, it's something about that shit. I don't like this shit. Oh, bro, what the fuck?
The way you got scared of that, Twitch, say you swear, yo. Twitch, say you swear you got scared of that. He said, woo. You said, oh. I swear, bro, look. It was this clown, bro. It was this clown. Oh, shit, look. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is that? You ugly motherfucker.
Man, like, I'm sexy. I can feel it in my bones. I'm cute.
You know you
I'm not looking at.
I feel abortion.
Ah, that's what. It's floating. Yes. Fucking ugly. Ew. Grown ass man wearing a fucking mask. Yeah, this nigga. You scared the fuck out of me, nigga. I ain't gonna lie.
What? Oh!
Your ass ass ugly as fuck, man. Your ass is hideous. Your ass ain't even ugly. Your ass hideous, gang.
That nigga face.
I ain't gonna lie.
He think he finna jump scare.
What the fuck?
Man. Yeah, you froze.
Oh my God, Caleb, look.
In the name of Jesus.
Look. What the fuck? Oh my God, what do you want from us?
Really, nigga?
When I fuck money,
I rebuke.
when I fuck money, when I fuck money,
rebuke.
when I fuck money, when I fuck money, when I fuck money.
I rebuke in the name of Jesus.
Focus on you, big bro. Focus on you.
I hope so.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy. Is you gonna see them titties, bro? You know you look good.
My nigga.
Bitch, I said you bad.
Easy.
You freaky frog! You freaky You're a freaky frog!
Day 4.
Scary as fuck, bro.
I know, what the fuck?
Hey, he behind the screen though. He wouldn't do that shit in public, nigga. I'll blow your shit smooth off.
Nigga, what you know so fucking fat?
Wash wipe me.
Yeah. Take that yam off your face, nigga. Oh
You
yeah.
probably a grown ass dude doing that bullshit.
Yeah, you a grown ass man, nigga. You bogus, nigga. Hey, that
Get the fuck you down, nigga. Go feed your fucking wife and kids, pussy.
That shit is scary as fuck, though.
That shit is scary as life. Oh shit.
That shit.
I'm trying.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy. Is you gonna get you? Oh my God, baby, damn. Yeah, jump.
Yeah. I gotta fucking this. I friend y'all.
Pussy, I can't see good tonight. Yeah, that man telling me what you want.